Well, the deer heard me right away this morning, and they decided to boogie on out. Are you eating a mushroom, huh? You eat the strangest things. A little sister back there. What's the matter, buddy, huh? And the little vacuum cleaners are out. Little red squirrel over there bouncing around. Chipmunk here, cleaning up what the birds throw out of their feeders. Well, another beautiful morning after an all-day rain yesterday down here at the cabin. Today I think I'm going to work on the shed a little bit, maybe get inside and start hanging some more insulation. We shall see how the day progresses. But I think my goal today is to try to get the sheeting on the roof and these gable ends framed out and covered. So stay tuned. There, one more gable end, and then I'll sheet these before I try to throw anything up on the roof, just to give it a little bit more support. I will have to get my posts and beams underneath the eaves before I shingle it. Otherwise, it might look kind of funny with me laying on the ground after climbing up on it.
Just got me over here laughing at you.
Grab you in. Are you good there?
Well, it comes beside it being wrapped on my finger.
Well, yeah, I gotta pull it tight, otherwise I have a droop in it. Put it on top of that line then. Go higher. Okay, down on this side. Got it down there? I'm gonna pull. Good?
No, hold on. There we go.
But don't make a thing of it.
Very heavy.
You're not heavy.
Oh, you know what?
Drop down a little. Okay. Not exactly too confident on hopping up on that roof without having the beam and the posts in underneath this eave. Well, I do believe it's time to run to Menards because I just don't trust the 2x6 stretched out 6 feet. So I'm going to have to get a couple 2x8s, put underneath the eaves as a beam, and then run my 4x4s that are sitting on that trailer. I tried getting Riley to go up there, but she said no way. Well, good morning once again. So after figuring out that I didn't think this was going to support my weight, being 2x6 is strung out 6 foot across, we ran to Menards last night and picked up some 2x8s for the beam, and of course my posts are in there. I'm not too concerned about any type of frost heave because generally speaking they'll drop back down in the spring. If it raises a corner of the building or the center of the building a half inch or whatever, so be it. Okay, seeing how my camera is not totally agreeing with me today, I'm not sure what it captured and what it hasn't, but I put a 2x8 up, and then I use rafter ties to tie that in place on every other side so there's no roll to that. Then I did a seat cut on a 4x4 and attached that to the header so that the header is sitting on the seat of it, which is then sitting down in post block. And as I said before, I'm not too concerned about any movement in this. It's more of a storage shed. You know, I'll keep the stuff that has to stay dry inside there. My firewood's going to be on this other side. And then I'll keep stuff like the four-wheeler, maybe, the wood splitter, my ladders, planks, tools that aren't always needed but don't have to be inside. Now the sides here and the back on both ends will have board and batten along with the face, of course, in the back of the shed. But I want everything to look as identical or as close as possible to the house. So well, one side sheeted. Okay, once it's started, then move your fingers. Oh, don't choke up so far on the hammer.
I hit you with the hammer is what I'm gonna do.
Would you cut that out? You're getting birdseed all over me. Well, this is the end of the GoPro. It recorded all the audio, but this is what I got left for video. So time for a new camera. Well guys, I guess this is as good as time as ever to end this little video. As my GoPro died and I'm using my phone now. But I did manage to get the roof dried in. And anyhow, I hope everybody enjoyed. A little glimpse of my daughter giving me a hand every now and then. So, until the next video, everyone, take care and stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one. One last little bit before the video ends. This is kind of what it looks like currently. So yeah, I'm starting to get pretty happy with the way it's looking. I was a little bit nervous at first, but once the board and batten goes all the way around, I think it'll look great. So again, take care guys. Talk at you later.